meet my baby cat. Look, mommy, look. Behave, baby, behave. She's a little girl, about 2 months old. She keeps kissing my lips because I think the lipstick smells like something. She's still a baby, so I'm not allergic to her yet because I'm allergic to cats. Dia ada full package. Cacing, kurap, kutu, semua dia ada. Tapi everything is treated now. Tapi dia botak, tengok perut dia pun warna pink. What is this? What is this, Bami? Say hi. Bami, say hi. Bami, you're such an ugly duckling. Say something, Bami. You're shivering. Say bye and go sit outside. Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.